are. Thank you for joining. It's a very important live because we are announcing the winners of the COVID-19 or COVID-19 grocery grant. So I know you are aware, but you may galang, and the Facebook no start up yet. Okay, so we are live right here on Facebook. I'm hoping that we can. I hope it coordinates well. So, as you all know, a few weeks ago, you see me here, baby in the background? That's my darling daughter who likes to be involved with all of my initiatives. All right. So, a few weeks ago, we announced the launch of the Live Well Jamaica Grocery Grant Program. Now, this program is targeted to parents, Jamaican parents who have been severely impacted by COVID-19 financially, meaning that it's really, really hard for them. And let me give Facebook some attention. It was really, really hard for them, or it is still very hard for them to basically make it through this time, be able to feed their families, right? So this grant is a grocery grant, and it is intended to help them just in some way to provide for their families. So if you just joined, we are announcing two winners today. So if you apply and you don't hear your name or you don't get the call, because we're calling them live, right? If it is that you do not hear the call, please stick and stay because we are going to be announcing more winners in the coming weeks. As I tell you, the grant, it's 20,000 Jamaican. It's at a value of 20,000 Jamaican dollars, and we had select categories of Jamaican parents that we intend to give. All right. So, without further ado, we are going to call our first winner on our list. All right. Now, as I tell you, this is a live call, right? The person may or may not answer. We're hoping that the person answers so that we are able to, yeah, make much of it. Shake to win with Digicel. No! It's not Shake to win with Digicel. No, it's not. Alright? It is Liberal Jamaica COVID-19 grocery grant. If you are watching, please post and tell me where you are connecting from and if you are aware of our grant. I don't know if anyone is on our Facebook page just yet. A little bit more quiet than Instagram. Instagram is blowing up. I see somebody say, may the blessed individual win. Well. I think all of us are blessed, right? All right. So we're going to go ahead and call the first person. All right. So watch out for this. I'm not going to spoil the surprise. Hoping that the phone network works with us. Hello? 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 Alright, I'm not hearing the person so clearly. Alright, we're going to hang up and call you back, alright? Alright, so our winners come from different parishes because we deliberately ensured. Okay. As you can hear, the person isn't answering. Let me give it one more try. Yeah, man. Alright, so it's gone to voicemail. Let us try the other person on the list. I'm hoping that the winner is seeing the live, right? And will answer the call. Let us let me read some. It says it's Sunday nap time now. They may be sleeping. Really? It's Sunday nap time? I don't know about that. I see Kingston, Jamaica here, Nicole Turner. All right, thank you for joining me over here on Facebook. As I tell you, if you're just joining, we are calling the Live Well Jamaica COVID-19 grocery grant winners, right? And I must give thanks to the supermarkets who came on board. We had two official supermarkets who decided to be a part of the initiative, and we give thanks for them, right? Yes, Makeda gives many thanks for the supermarkets, right? So the next person that we are going to call, we are hoping that this person will answer. All right, let us try this again. As I tell you, this is a live call. They applied, some were shortlisted. We had so many applications, right? We had a lot of applications, and we had to cut down the list, right? It is our intention to reach as many Jamaicans, at least one in every parish, because we know so many people are affected by COVID-19. So, of course, we are going to be continuing the initiative. So if you don't make it this round, trust me, apply again. All right. So we're calling the other winner. I wanted to. Oh, we have somebody tuned in from Madrid, Spain. I hope you're hearing the call. Good day. Is this? Oh, let me first introduce myself. My name is Ashley Ann Mowat, and I'm calling from Live Well, Jamaica. You recently applied for a grocery grant, and I believe I'm speaking with my Portland winner.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Congrats to you. I will not, as I told you, in the shortlisted email, we are not mentioning any names. You understand? We respect your privacy that way, but we want to talk to you a little bit.
Okay.
What was your initial, or how do you feel being the winner of one of the $20,000 grocery grants?
I'm feeling really, really honored.
Yes, yes. All right. In terms of the grant, how will this now help to relieve, without giving any details about your family life or so? How will it help you at this time?
Well, I am a single mother, so this would be a great help for me.
Yes, yes. I must say, as a parent myself, when COVID-19, when we heard about the first few cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica and then the restriction and movement, it really shocked me as well. You understand? Because whether we want to admit it or not, you understand, all of us have been affected by COVID-19. And yes, some of us lost jobs, some of us are working with reduced income. So from Live Well Jamaica, and of course our partner Nurse Tia Hamlet in Canada, we hope that this grant will help you. Alright, so my little baby's a little fussy. Alright, yes, we hope that this grant will help to relieve some of the stress that you felt and the burden that you felt. Yeah, yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Yes. Before we end the call, I just wanted to know, did you know about Live Well Jamaica before the grocery grant?
No, I did not.
Okay, you did not. Alright, well, I hope you stick and stay with Live Well Jamaica. We're on YouTube, we're on Facebook, and we're on Instagram. And we will have more initiatives to assist Jamaicans. It's a good initiative. Alright, alright, alright. Yes.
And thanks to Miss Margaret too.
Miss who?
Miss Margaret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who is that
She was
person?
the one who introduced me to it, actually.
She's the one who introduced it to it. So big up the people who share this information, because if you think about it, if it wasn't for that lady, you wouldn't have applied. That's what you're saying. So big up to all the persons who shared the information about the grocery grant. And I hope you also share with family and friends that Liberal Jamaica is there to support you.
Right.
I also want you, if you could, just to acknowledge our partner, Nurse Tia Hamlet, who basically, you have to say, she's like the backbone behind it, because she's the person who stood in and contributed the most financially to this grant.
Yeah.
So if you could say something.
Yeah. I would like to thank everybody who has sponsored this initiative. And thanks to Live Well. Continue doing the good work. God bless you all.
All right, and take good care of yourself, or Portland winner. Take good care of yourself. All right, bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right, so that was our Portland winner. I am hoping that I'm going to try the other winner one more time. We're announcing 2 winners today. You understand? We're leaving the other 3 winners for the other lives. You understand? We have a schedule that is posted on our pages, so you can go and see, right? But I want to leave this I just want to try, or the other winner who we had who we had shortlisted and scheduled to announce. Let me just read some more. Look here, Instagram is blowing up, Facebook kind of quiet now. Too quiet. Instagram over here said big up Live Well Jamaica from Frame It Jamaica. Frame It JA. Wow, nice. I'll check that out. Still getting a voice message from the first person. So we're hoping that we can connect with that winner soon. But I encourage you to continue to follow Live Well Jamaica on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, because the announcements will continue. We have identified 1 winner from Portland. We have 5 winners. So 5 winners of $20,000 worth of groceries, right? So stick and stay. Thank you so much for joining, and we hope to engage with you again next Sunday. We're going to have something very special for Father's Day. All right? Take good care and live in peace, live in love, live well, Jamaica. Okay, so I end this live. Hold on, let me end this one.